How's it going? It is February 12th. I'm out for hike number 6 on the 52 hike challenge for 2023. This week I am hiking at the Seven Pillars Nature Preserve near Peru, Indiana. It's about a 2.2 mile loop trail. It's a private property owned by Acres Land Trust, but it's open to the public for public enjoyment of nature. So I'll be out here for a little while. It's really nice out. It's about 45 degrees. I'm supposed to get up to about 50 today, which for February I will take it. We're gonna get out and just enjoy a little bit of blue skies and sunshine in the woods. So that was 7 Pillars Nature Preserve. It's about a 2.2 mile loop trail, more of a spur and loop trail. You kind of go out on a spur, follow a loop around, and then bring that same spur back to the trailhead. Definitely a challenging trail. You got some pretty significant incline and declines. We had some thaw today. When we first went in, it was a little crunchy, a little frosty on the ground, and by the time we got back out to the trailhead, definitely everything had thawed out, so there were some slippery spots, some muck. Boots are definitely going to need cleaned. This area is owned by the Acres Land Trust, which is a privately owned nonprofit volunteer organization that has purchased lots of property in northeast Indiana and a few counties in Michigan and Ohio. And what they do is they buy land and preserve it for public enjoyment so that people have a place to go out and get out into the wild, or get out into nature at least, and go hiking. So definitely check out their website. There's other properties in the area. I'm going to be hitting some of those as the course of my hiking challenge goes along. One of the neat features about this area is it is right here at 7 Pillars on the Mississippi River, just outside of Peru, Indiana. There is land here that is owned by the Miami Nation of Indians of Indiana. It's private property, and it goes right up against the Mississippi River, but the Pillars formation, a little bit of a cliff where the river carved out over the course of millions of years, some pretty cool natural features, used to be used as a trading post and a meeting site by the tribal people, by the Native Americans, not just the Miami, but the Potawatomi and other tribes that were in the area prior to their displacement. So it's got some cool history in the area, some cool geological features, and it's definitely an area that's worth taking a look and getting out and hiking. So that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed what you saw, and I'll talk to you guys next week.